Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I would like to have a look at Under Armour because they got crushed a little bit today after hours. And I want to see if they're worth a buy, why not, and what happened, and should we care. So, what they do is apparel and sportswear, so they're a big brand for athletic wear, both for pro teams and for, casuals like me. So the current price is $17.14, which is down almost 20% today. Market cap is $7.3 billion. They are not paying a dividend, and I don't think they're going to start anytime soon. Current revenue, $5 billion, which is up slightly. Current earnings, negative $46 million, down from negative 48. And their current PE, which is trailing 12 month, is 92. Obviously, we don't have a PE for before that because they lost a lot of money and, almost even. But total assets, $4.2 billion, total liabilities, $2.2 billion, and total stockholders' equity of $2 billion, which is down ever so slightly. And so what happened today was apparently the Wall Street Journal reported that there's a probe into their accounting, which might be a criminal probe, and obviously the start of such investigations is generally viewed as a very bad thing. So the DOJ and the SEC are apparently looking into what happened, possibly under the previous CFO, not the current one, and no one really knows what happened. Obviously, that's why it's being investigated. But despite that, looking at just the facts of the stock, we can already see that for a dividend investor, this is definitely not the stock for you. For a growth investor, this is also definitely not the stock for you. And for a value investor, this is definitely not the stock for you. So I don't think the probe really matters that much in what happens to the stock right now, because I cannot in good conscience recommend anyone buy the stock. So leaving all that out, and even with a 20% drop in the stock price, I don't think that I can really recommend it to pretty much anyone. So don't buy the stock, don't buy it today. Maybe see how things play out and see if they can turn things around. But at this time, don't buy the stock. That's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.